Okay, so come with me, let me show you how this works in real time. So a teleprompter is gonna have this reflective mirror right in front of our camera lens, so your eyes aren't moving too noticeably. I like the fact that using this remote, I can real time speed up, I can slow down, and so as I'm speaking, I don't have to worry about talking super fast so that I can catch up to where it's going, or I'm about to, it's like not Tetris, right? So being able to have that control as you're recording an about me statement, and on a practical level, shooting 12 hours of gated content, if you're wanting to build monetized content, coursework, educational pieces, the last thing you want is having to go off the cuff and you take that amount of data and you send it to an editor and then you get this just astronomical editing bill because it wasn't concise. I love this tool. I love this modality. I love using it with our clients because it's minimizing our post-production workload. You being on camera, if it's super daunting and you feel like you're gonna have nerves and fumbling through stuff, like it keeps you on track and everybody wins.